Module 1. As explained in the document Student Curriculum and in the Chapter 1 of this online course, Project Creatives Academy aims to develop material that harnesses the knowledge and skills of current creative professionals to inspire and educate secondary school students and empower them to become the creatives of the future. For the application of the CA student curriculum, project partners have prepared the CA Toolkit for teachers. This output provides resources and tools to increase teachers' confidence and skills in applying the CA curriculum in different settings, subjects, and educational scenarios. One of the elements of the toolkit that will facilitate the application of the CA student curriculum is this online course. Online course is divided in 3 modules, and we will begin with Module 1. Before you start the application of the curriculum, make sure you have filled out the forms for your school and students and consent forms needed according to the General Pilot Guide. You can find these forms in Word format in the folder Module 1. The first activity in the application of the CA curriculum is the pre-assessment questionnaire. Please hand out the forms of the pre-assessment questionnaire to all students in your class. The aim of the detailed questionnaire is for students to reflect on their expectations of this program, on familiarity with their career orientation, the cultural profession, their encounter with creative professionals, and current competences. You can find the pre-assessment questionnaire in Word format as Annex A in the folder Module 1. Module 1. Introduction. This module works as a preparation phase for the main module's application. Here, students will have the chance to explore and talk about career orientation and be introduced to the culture and creative industries and sectors. According to the level of careers education in every school, this module could be shortened or merely skipped based on the estimation of the teacher. Important note: Activity 3 in the Introduction to the CCS is however mandatory since it is the entry point of discussion on the full spectrum of creatives professions. Activity 1. How do I choose my career path? Predicted duration, 45 minutes. Step 1. In this activity, students are invited to think about 10 key questions related to their career choice. Hand out the forms with these 10 questions to all students and give them 30 minutes to respond to these questions. You can find the form 10 key questions when searching for your career choice in Word format as Annex B in folder Module 1. Step 2. In this step, divide all students in pairs. Students should interview each other as if they were career counselors using the form for career counselor interview. Interviewers will note down the identified skills and needs and answers and reflect upon possible future profession choices. You can find the form Pairs Career Counselor Interview in Word format as Annex C in the folder Module 1. Activity 2. Career Panorama. Predicted duration is 30 minutes. Step 1. The pairs from the previous activity will write down on small papers the proposed professions and will hang them on a board. Step 2. The teacher will make a categorization of these professions according to the general sector of activity. By filling the form with student answers, a panorama of the group's choices will be created. You can find the form Job Sector Diagram in Word format as Annex D in the folder Module 1. Tips for teachers based on the students' answers. In case artistic or creative professions don't come up in class, pose a question asking why this happens so as to trigger discussion on the creative professions. In case creative professions are included in the panorama, ask students how they feel about artistic and creative professions to identify the perceptions of students in class. Activity 3. Introduction to the cultural and creative sectors. The predicted duration is 45 minutes. Step 1. In this activity, students will be introduced to the different profession categories of the cultural and creative sectors, or CCS. Show them a diagram that explains the artistic and creative sector ecosystem. You can find the form CCS diagram in Word format as Annex E in the folder Module 1. Step 2. Then address the students and call them to think and consider whether they would choose any of these jobs as a profession and consider what skills are needed for recalling skills identified in the previous activities. Students should write down and pin on the diagram the skills they think are most important for the creative professional. Then organize discussion by asking students these 2 questions. What do you realize when comparing to the previous activities? Are the skills needed for other professions like the ones for CPs? Based on the estimation of the teacher at the end of Module 1, additional reflection can be done with students by asking them to fill the reflection questionnaire. You can find the form Extended Module 1 Reflection in Word format in the folder Module 1.